What if I told you that some of the supplements sitting in your kitchen right now are doing more for the companies selling them than they are for your body? Sounds extreme? Here's an even bigger question. If supplements really work the way the ads claim, why are millions of people buying more every single month while still chasing the same results? By the end of this video, you'll know how to separate the supplements that actually deserve your money from the ones designed to empty your wallet. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake isn't buying supplements, it's believing that more expensive automatically means more effective. Think about it. Walk into any supplement store and you're hit with giant tubs, flashy labels, impossible promises, and words like scientifically formulated, anabolic, ultimate, or clinically dosed. It feels convincing, but here's the catch. Most marketing sells hope, not results. Companies know people aren't just buying protein powder or vitamins. They're buying the dream of getting stronger, leaner, healthier, or younger, faster. And that's exactly where smart marketing becomes incredibly powerful. Start simple. Let's start with the foundation. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on wet sand. No matter how expensive the building materials are, the foundation fails. Your body works the same way. If your sleep is poor, if your nutrition is inconsistent, if you're barely moving, no supplement can magically fix those problems. That's why the best athletes in the world don't start with supplements. They start with habits. Here's the first light bulb moment. Supplements are called supplements because they're meant to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace one. Simple, but it's amazing how often people forget it. Intermediate fixes. Now here's where things get more interesting. Not every supplement is useless. Some actually have strong scientific support. The problem is that they're often hidden behind dozens of products with weak evidence and incredible marketing. Instead of asking, what's the newest supplement, ask a better question. What problem am I actually trying to solve? Need more protein because you can't eat enough? A protein supplement might help. Low on a vitamin confirmed by blood work? That supplement could make sense. Training hard and looking for a small performance edge? Certain evidence-based supplements may have a place.